Hey guys, in this video, I'll be making an account. I'll be hacking my sister's account. So yeah, I'm just talking to this person. So yeah. Hi. Say hi. What let me say? Hold on guys, I'll be right back. So guys, I'm going to start the video. So I'm going to first start with a look. I don't know I'm randomly doing this. Wait, I didn't know I managed to get it matching. Gazelle horn. The diamond headboard's dead, I think that was ballet shoes. And then that's her look. Now for her den. We'll make a kind of horse then. We'll put the hay there. So excited to see how the action when she gets on. When you hack an account, you're supposed to take all the rares. Not all the time, but normally people do that. They'll take all the rares and that. But all I'm doing, I'm not gonna take the rares because you know I'm not a hacker. I'm basically messing up an animal. It's not really hacking. So next, I'm going to do that. Put a barrel there. And then I'm going to put a horse plushie. Oh, where's the horse plushie gone? She's coming. Where's Mum? So guys, my sister just came. So scary. Let me look into her account. So we all know what her password is. I will do my best at an Emerald Jam. I have no clue why. I made her password so long because you know. Yeah. So guys, I just realised I tried to get into a game, but then I did the password wrong. Hold on. I will do my best at... Oh, I'm not even writing. I think my game's crashed. Look. Oh yeah. At Animal Jam. Because why not? So yeah. Okay guys. I'm back. She's gone. So let me finish off her den. Decided to put random stuff everywhere. We'll put some more hay. Next thing, oh there's more hay. Next thing I need to do is put a horse plushie up there. I'm gonna take that back. Oh, I know how to put it. Right there. I'm gonna put masterpieces everywhere. To be fair, she has some more masterpieces than me. So yeah, she has more masterpieces than me, which I'm sad about. So yeah, I'm going to put them at the front of her then. I'm talking to my brother, guys. Go get the whole pool, so you don't have to keep going up and down. Anyway. Wait, why does she have 2 Dotty masterpieces? Oh yeah, I think I traded her one. Or she made them. I don't know. My sister. Oh no. She just came down and went, oh no. And then I went, what? And then she went, oh nothing. And went upstairs. I hope she didn't know. Okay, I'm just guessing she didn't know. Because she never said anything. She would have shouted at me really loud. Because I've done this once. She really shouted at me. I'm going to make this the same look as her. So, I'm going to do blue and red. So, yeah. Blue and red. Oh no, it's those feet what I need to get by it. I'll have to find my own magenta feet. Okay, that's good enough. So, yeah. She had a spike on her. Gazelle horns. No, that, and that. To be fair, she's probably going to stick with this look. She'll probably think it's so pretty. I'm just proper decorating her den. I'm not really thinking of any designs. Oh, I have an idea. She's got so many pets. Surprised this didn't make a black glitch thing. Just gonna put pets scattered around everywhere. That up there. And then this can go there. I really like this pet to be fair. So yeah, guys. So yeah, guys. That's the end of the video. If you enjoyed, please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!